Extreme. We have 5 of these. The fastest AMD processor I think that you can get. And we're out of room, so we're gonna unbox it right here. Until we get into the new space, we got stuff everywhere. This is the highest quality, fastest AMD GPU that you can get. And we're gonna unbox it on my lap, because I got too much stuff going on to unbox it neatly, like all the people that really do unboxings do. Toxic Extreme Edition 6900 XT. Devour just did a video on this, and he got world record GPU clock of well over 3,000 gigahertz on LN2. Yes, next week we're going to do an LN2 day, because we've got 2 Kingpins coming, and we've got the Toxics now. We're going to assault all the records at once. Plain brown box. A little bit of this. These are for sale on the website already. They are freaking expensive. Oh, look. They came with their own Sapphire Toxic ProTech driver kit. You get your own screwdriver to take it apart. Extra bolts, screws, and nuts to take it apart. I guess they knew it was coming here. We are gonna take it apart. 360 millimeter rad. That's what the screws are for. This is not the best unboxing I've ever done. Important, remove the plastic before installation. Why would you put the plastic on there? Takes 2 8s and a 6 pin. We got the cable mods in the black and the gray. We're gonna have to build this machine, build one of these for auction. This could be the new, could go in the new Pirate build. I'm not even gonna water block it. I'm just gonna go right with like what it's got, its own deal on it. With the Toxic 6900, they sent us a little set of Toxic branded tools, which I will say this, straight out, much better promo than a freaking Super Bowl ring with the Strix card, the white Strix card. Okay, I love the white Strix, but Super Bowl ring or a set of tools, tools all day long. Just a little set of tools. Oh, the whole thing's magnetic. Completely branded Toxic set of tools. Nice little set of drivers. I love the tools. I love all that, but it's got double sticky tape on the back. Like, I'm gonna stick that somewhere, and then I can't get to those. I don't think so. A+ for one of the better promos to go with your really expensive graphic card. It even locks in there. It's on a little spring. Toxic. Installed. 8 pin. 8 pin and a 6 pin. That was a terrible peel. It hashes at 60. That's what it hashes at. And there may be some things we can do to set it for AMD better. All right, let's go to, first let's open up max frequency goes to 5,000. Obviously you can't get that. Like I said, Devour went LN2 on this and got 30 some hundred. I think we got 3,200. Power limit we can go to an extra 15%. We will definitely run a Port Royal. I know it won't do as well because it's an AMD card, but we'll also run Time Spy. We just blew the circuit. Damn. Because I would have that benchmarking as hard as it could go. I had that benchmarking as hard as it could go. My machine was running. I blew it out. Good thing the laser's on a separate circuit, huh?